history and overview of the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado. Let's have a look at this. Welcome to the fun world of automobile history and current trends. In this episode, we're delving into the captivating past and promising future of the Cadillac Eldorado. Ever since its introduction in 1953, the Cadillac Eldorado has been a well-known symbol of luxury, both in America and abroad. It started out as a convertible vehicle, but quickly gained popularity due to its striking design, powerful engine, and lavish extras. Throughout the 1960s, the Eldorado made many changes, including the introduction of the famous 1957 model, which had distinctive tail fins and a powerful 365 cubic inch V8 engine. This era saw the Eldorado cementing its reputation as a luxurious sedan, with advanced features like automatic transmission and air conditioning. The 1970s and 1980s were even more transformative for the Eldorado. They saw the introduction of sophisticated features like electronic fuel injection and anti-lock braking. After a brief retirement, the Eldorado re-emerged a bit later in 1992 with an outstanding new look, full of sleek lines, first-rate safety features, and a powerful 4.9-liter V8 engine. In the 90s and early 2000s, the Eldorado kept pushing the boundaries with inventive features like GPS navigation and superior audio systems. Finally, after several years of being off the market, the Eldorado is said to be making a comeback, with the potential to feature cutting-edge technology, top-notch safety options, and a stylish contemporary design. The future 2026 Cadillac Eldorado looks set to have a hybrid or electric powertrain, advanced driver assistance options like automated driving, luxurious interior features such as top-notch materials and cutting-edge infotainment systems. Sleek lines and an eye-catching shape make the Cadillac Eldorado a classic American luxury icon. The potential new Eldorado could redefine the luxury car experience, and we're all eagerly waiting to see what it brings to the table.